day, Hoama. I'm so excited to see you. Welcome to Toy Time. Whoa! Kei te rongo koutou. It's the Toy Time trumpets. Let's go. Hikama. It's going to be a fun day at the Toy Time construction site. I'm directing traffic to make sure everybody's safe. See? Stop. And go. Oh, here comes Tama and Jojo. Go.
Right this way, Jojo. Oh, thank you. Here we go. Oh, kia ora mai. E ngā mihi, everyone. Ko Tama tōku ingoa. And I'm going to build my skyscraper right here. All right. Nailed it.
Building is so fun. What else can we build?
Oh, let's ask Mōhio. Mōrena, Mōhio.
Morena, Toy Time builders. Mea hakeo. How can I help?
Kei te pai. What sorts of things can you build?
He nui tonu. With the right tools, Maya, you can build just about anything. You can build a whare to live in with your family, a skyscraper in the city, or even a hut in the garden.
Oh, a whare for my whānau? A skyscraper and huts? Oh, yeah. Who's in?
I am.
I am.
Me too.
All right.
Let's get building.
Yeah!
Tell me, what could we try building? We could make a house or two, a new igloo. Build whatever we imagine. Fina, I'll help you. Let's construct a giant tree house. Then we'll have
Hi, cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at the Howick Historical Village. Everything here is really, really old. Older than your mum, even. Come check it out. Whoa. Oh. Huh. Huh. Whoa. Whoa. Balance, Buzz. Balance. Oh. Wow. Oh. Check this out, whānau. It's an ancient Cody log native to Aotearoa, New Zealand. All of our whānau used to cut them down and into pieces to build all of our whare with. Kia ora tāne māhuta. Awesome, awesome. Off to the next thing. Ha. Yeah, come on. Whoa! Look at this old school whare. The walls are made out of raupo. I wonder what's inside. Would anyone like a cup of tea? All right. Cup of tea time's over. Let's head to the next whare. Check it out, cuzzies. It's an old school trough. There we go. And now there's plenty of water for the animals to drink. Whoa! Check it out, cuzzies. It's the old Ararimu Valley School. Let's see what's inside. See? Even this is made out of Cody. Tēnā koe te whare. All right, calm down. First lesson of the day. Why the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now, can anyone tell me who the dog is? Oh, pick me. Pick me. Anyone? I know. Buzz? The one that goes... Perfect. All right, Buzz, you can go to lunch early. Haere. It's been an awesome day exploring today, cuzzies. Ka kite anō.
Let's go driving. See what we can see. We're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3. Look out the window. Look carefully. How many bicycles can you see? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go driving. See what we can see. We're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3. Look out the window. Look carefully. How many big trucks can you see? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go driving. See what we can see. We're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3. Look out the window. Look carefully. How many people can you see? 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10.
There's so many people.
There.
Kia ora, Maya.
Kia ora, Buzz the Cuz.
Whoa, those are cool trucks. Hey, what do you call a room with no doors?
Hoa, kāre au te paku mōhio, Buzz. What do you call a room with no doors?
A mushroom.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, sorry, Maya.
Kei te pai, Buzz. Don't worry. I can build it again later.
Okay, let's put these here.
Buzz? Is that what I think it is?
It depends. If you're thinking it's a supersonic twin-engine solar-powered rocket launcher goes so fast across the water you got to wipe your eyes because the sea spray keeps getting in them, then coal.
I was thinking Play-Doh.
Then yes.
Yes.
I made it using Auntie Anika's poke parawa recipe. It's her Play-Doh recipe. Are you ready for takaro time?
I'm always ready for takaro time, Buzz.
Cool. What do you want to make?
Okay, what about a blue road?
That's a great idea. And then we can have your vehicles driving across them.
Kārawe.
Okay, I'll take those ones off your hands. Just gonna move there.
Okay. That's the base of our road.
Looking good already.
We need some lines so that the trucks know where to travel.
Okay, I can make them out of this orange one.
I can put some on too.
Orange, karaka. All right.
Ready.
Which vehicle would you like to choose?
I think... Oh, the ambulance.
That is an excellent choice.
Okay.
Oh, you drove the lines off. I'm gonna put them back on.
Okay.
Here we go.
How about you drive the taxi?
That sounds good. Does anyone want to ride to the airport? Because my taxi's heading that way.
Tūmeke. Hey,
Awesome.
Buzz, do you think Auntie Anika would show us how to make her puke parawa recipe?
Oh, I don't think so. I know so.
Kia ora, my beautiful tamariki. I'm Auntie Anika. Now, Buzz the Cuz asked me to show you my recipe for puke parawa, so here I am. Now, before we get started, always ask your grown-up to help you in the kitchen, okay? Ka pai. Now, where's my recipe? No worries. Kaore he raru. It's all up here. Okay, so what we have is we have some flour, some cream of tartar, some water, and some food colouring. Right, I'm just gonna do it from the top of my dome. Top of my dome, here we go. Okay, so we've got our flour and our cream of tartar. Now I'm gonna add the water. Ooh. Oops, I think I put too much water in this. Let's just see how it goes. Okay. Right, okay, I'll just put this food colouring in. Oh, I think I put too much food colouring in. Ah! Okay, let's just mix this up. Oh, I mucked it up. So this is my new recipe for play Gloop. It's even better than Play-Doh because it's so gloopy.
Kua rite koutou.
Ai.
Whai mai.
Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi.
deck built. We have lots of builders. There's Bosco.
Hello.
There's Tane.
Hello.
There's Jay.
How's it going?
And Dave. Lots of tools being used today. There's a drop saw. There's a drill. There's a level. The level makes sure that everything is straight. There's a compactor that makes the ground all flat. It's really noisy. It looks messy now, but it will become beautiful. You're doing a great job, guys. Bye.
Hey, Maya. E mohi ana koe, did you know that humans aren't the only amazing builders on our planet?
Oh, nera, Jojo. Well, what other creatures like to build things?
I'll give you a clue. It's in the box. You'll have to put your hand in there to find out. Are you ready to play What's in
The box. Kwarite. Phew. Okay. Oh, it's small. It's roundish shape, made from twigs and leaves and trees. It feels more like a nest than a building. So, is it a kohanga? A nest?
Anna? I found it on the grass in the garden at the end of summer. What do you think made it?
I think it was a very clever manu that built it to lay its eggs in.
Tika tonu. Birds use their beaks to weave together the twigs and materials into a nest shape. Some birds even use mud or spider webs to hold it all together. They then line the nest with grass or moss to make it snugly and warm for their heki and for the baby manu when they hatch.
Wow, birds are amazing builders. And the only tool that they have is their beak. Hey, Jojo, since the nest came from the whenua, do you think we should return it back to the whenua?
Great idea, Maya. To the garden.
Hi! We are building a tower! And I have to get something. I am making a big tower.
Let's make the tallest tower ever.
Hello. It's the purple one. Let's go, dude. Oh, turn to you. Our tower's going to be so tall. Get the blue. Yes. And I have to stand back. It's going to be very, very tall. Okay, this is it.
Who's taller? Who's taller? Where's the tallest?
Bye. Bye.
Once upon a toy time, Tama Pig was relaxing in his brick whare when suddenly...
Tama Pig, help!
Oh, are you all right, Jojo Pig? What happened?
A wolf came to my whare. He said, little pig, let me in. And I said, Carl, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin. And then he said, and I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your whare in.
Oh, and what did he do?
He huffed and he puffed and he blew my whare in.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
Unfortunately, Jojo Pig's whare, made of blankets, wasn't very strong.
Oh, no, Jojo. Ka aroha. Don't worry. You can come stay with me.
Thanks, Tama.
Come in.
So Tama Pig and Jojo Pig were relaxing in Tama's brick whare when suddenly...
No! Tama, Jojo, help!
Oh, are you all right, Maya Pig? What happened?
A wolf came to my house and he said, little pig, let me in. And I said, cow, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin. And then he said, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your fud in.
And what did he do?
Let me guess. He huffed and he puffed and he blew your whare in.
Yes, see?
Unfortunately, Maya Pig's whare made of gingerbread wasn't very strong either.
Oh no, Maya Pig. Ka aroha. Don't worry, you can come and stay with me and Jojo.
Thanks, Tama.
All right, come in.
Tama, Maya and Jojo pigs were relaxing in Tama's brick whare when suddenly...
Little pigs, let me in.
Cow, not by the hairs on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your whare in.
The wolf huffed and puffed and puffed and huffed. But Tama Pig's whare, made of bricks, was very strong and the wolf couldn't blow it in.
Hooray!
Ke te pai koe, Wolfie. Are you all right?
I huffed and I puffed with all of my might, but I can't get in.
Oh,
It's lonely outside by yourself.
oh, Wolfie. Did you try asking by ringing the doorbell?
Oh,
Ding dong!
Oh, it's Oma.
Kia ora, Tama Pig. This is my friend Wolfie the Wuruhi. He's the friendliest wolf in town.
Tēnā koe. It's lovely to meet you. Do come in.
And they all lived happily ever after. The end.
We knew it was you all along, Wolfie.
Nice work, Oma.
All right, let's do a bow. Toru, rua, tahi.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita's favourite day of the week. Umu. Aso sa. Sunday. Tōnai. Tavita's favourite day of the week. He loves Tōnai because after church, his whole family gathers at Grandpa Don and Nana Sina's whale for Sunday lunch. The best part is that Grandpa, Dad, and Uncle Siale lay down the umu, and Tavita gets to help. They start the umu very early in the morning when the sun rises. Tavita helps cover the food with big rocks, wet banana leaves, newspaper, and sacks. Then the whole family goes to church, giving the umu plenty of time to cook. Today is a sunny aso sa, so Auntie Maria sets up a long table beneath the tōtara tree. The boys dig up the umu and bring it to the table. Tavita's nana, mum, Auntie Maria, and Tawila bring the sapasui, the oka, and salati. Tavita leads the family in a prayer. Then they eat the yummy umu and talk and laugh. Tavita loves when his ainga are together. Wha soipoa. See you next time.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Hakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kani kai and a really good play. Hakite ano, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha. There are no